Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Polkadot price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside, finishing wave 1 or wave A. At both case scenario, you would like to see 3 corrective waves towards the downside. However, this long wave was not a 3 waves, rather it was of course 5 waves towards the downside as an impulse. After this impulse, finished wave A, probably you have a wave B and probably another wave C towards the downside, but this wave C might be truncated, meaning in this truncated chart where we can see, of course, the wave 5 did not take the low with an ending diagonal. As you can see here, wave 4, after 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as contracting diagonal, ending, of course, diagonal, but without taking the low, meaning, of course, this is a truncation and a finished impulse, of course, truncated, meaning that we would like to see higher prices, and this is exactly what happened. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for an impulse, wave 1. Now we are ranging so far so many days here, and of course this is a wave 2 in case this is a wave 1, and then we would like to see, of course, here 3 waves toward the downside as A, B, and a C, reaching in the between the perfect FIB level for a wave 2. Now as you can see, the time has reached the 1.618, yeah, and this is a very long time for a wave 2. Now when the time starts to be very long for a wave 2, the probability of course start to get less, of course, to be bullish, but also don't forget that it can higher the probability to move towards the upside, because longer time can prevent also less price or lower prices, and to finish, of course, a very deep wave 2 in that case, and then moving toward the upside directly. But it is preferably at least reaching the 0.18 for a wave 2, or even between is fine. But if you want to have a zigzag, because as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a B for 3 waves here as a B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, meaning you would like to reach the 1-to-1 FIB level at $4.13, which is also 0.6886, which is not nice to see, right? Because if we hit wave 2, 0.886, meaning, yeah, very, very low possibility for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 continuation toward the upside. The only scenario left in that case that we reach the price is only a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as ending diagonal, yeah, because only wave 2 in an diagonal, contracting diagonal, is allowed to reach the 886. So yeah, the scenario here is a little bit complicated, I would say, and especially he was truncated, and now we're going back impulsively. And if we are zigzag, we're gonna probably reach the 886. However, the only savior might be the time here, because we are getting a lot of time. It might, of course, prevent a deep correction. Maybe it's gonna end in an ending diagonal, just like that, without reaching the 1-to-1 FIB level, because, you know, zigzag has uncommon target, which is 0.618. And as you can hear, here we go, yeah. So that is also uncommon target. It can be in such situation where you have a long time correction, where you want to end a little bit shorter with a wave and moving towards the upside. So basically, these are the scenario for Polkadot. A higher possibility, of course, a little bit lower and moving for higher. In case we break the 886, yeah, to be reanalyzed, you know. And of course, expect lower prices, much higher possibility, because, you know, when touching the 886, you want to take the low, especially that here also as truncated, it has to take the low. It has touched the 886 as well. So yeah, maybe probability will become, of course, higher that we did not finish yet wave 2, yeah, or wave B. So that lower prices, even like we might break this and move toward the downside, only if we break the 886 first. So that was it for Polkadot. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.